Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you our new OR-M42HC-USB. This is a 4-input 2-output matrix multi-viewer. The feature I'm going to show you today is our USB strolling. So this allows you to control the 4 connected computers with one keyboard and mouse. The way it works is as you move the mouse over the different multi-view window, it controls the computer that you're currently hovered over. So top left here, we've got this Windows computer. Then over to this MacBook. We can click play on this video.
Director of Product here at CYP. Today.
Down in the bottom left, we've got a media player. This has no sound, but you'll notice that the correct sound is also playing for the currently selected window. And then we go finally over to this Linux computer. We can play this video too. Another feature we have on this that's very cool is you can double click the mouse scroll wheel. That brings up the OSD and that allows you to get a closer look on the computers.
And cards like this, which is a streaming module.
Thanks for watching, and for more information, please visit our website.